Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Store error code 0x80070424 on Windows 11. This error usually pops up when you try to download or update apps from the Microsoft Store. And it says something like that: this file service does not exist as an installed service. No, don't worry, I will guide you through all the working fixes step by step. This error usually happens when essential Windows services related to the store are missing, disabled, or corrupted. It can also appear if system files or Windows Update components are broken. So let's go through the easiest and most effective ways to fix it. First, let's start with the simplest solution. Run the Windows Store Troubleshooter, press Windows plus I to open Settings, then go to System, scroll down to Troubleshoot, and click Other Troubleshooters. Look for Windows Store Apps and click Run. If you still get the same error, move to the next step. This built-in tool automatically checks for missing services, permission issues, or store-related corruption. And most of the time it can fix them automatically. Once that's done, restart your computer and check if the error is gone. The second fix is to reset and repair the Microsoft Store app. Press Windows plus I again, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll down and find Microsoft Store. Click on the three dots beside it and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down, click Repair, and wait a few seconds. If the issue remains, click Reset. This will reinstall the store and clear any corrupted cache that might be causing the error. If that didn't work, let's check that the required Windows services are running. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the list, find these three services: Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Windows License Manager Service. Double-click each one, make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and if they are stopped, click Start. Then hit Apply and OK. These services are essential for store updates and installations. If you're still getting the same error, we will move on to fixing Windows Update components. Since the store depends on them, open Command Prompt as administrator and type these commands one by one. netstop u woozer v netstop bits, netstop cr crypt svc. After that, restart the services by typing netstart du user v netstart bits. Netstart crypt svc, then close Command Prompt and restart your PC. Finally, make sure your Windows is fully updated. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Sometimes Microsoft fixes store-related issues through commutative updates. After following these steps, the Microsoft Store error should be completely fixed, and you will be able to install and update your apps normally again. If this video helped with you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Windows Fake tutorials, and comment below which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.